Chidambara Vilas is a 118-year-old heritage Chettiar home that provides an authentic showcase of the luxurious Chettinad lifestyles of the last century. Construction on the mansion was started on a 1-acre plot which was gifted by the Maharaja of Pudukottai. It took 7 years from 1897 to 1904 to complete the house at a princely sum of 7 lakhs over 120 years ago. The wood was imported from Burma, marble tiles and granites from Italy, chandeliers, lights and mirrors from Belgium. You can now experience one of the best examples of authentic Chettinad architecture. Furniture, glasswork, tile work and paintings. The heritage rooms at Chidambara Vilas recreates the ambience of authentic Chettiar lifestyles. This is visible in the attention to details, from the vintage hand-operated panka fans to even the switches, which are designed in a format from a previous era. You can experience the whole platter of Chettinad cuisine, from spicy fare that is served on freshly cut banana plantain leaves in the very formal settings. A vintage experience to set the tone of your evening is what you will find at Kopai Bar.